Hi guys, today we are going to make mint chicken grill and without any oil. So I've taken 4 chicken thighs, I've removed the skin and washed it. I've made some slits in the chicken thighs so that the mixture gets in soaked nicely. So I've taken 5 green chilies, bunch of coriander, ginger, garlic, mint. I'm going to grind this everything with lemon juice. I've taken yogurt or curd, salt as per your taste, pepper powder, chili powder, garam masala powder. So let's grind these ingredients together and rub this over the chicken thigh. I ground the mint, coriander, chili, ginger, garlic with the lemon juice. Now I'm adding garam masala powder, chili powder, pepper powder, salt, now add curd, about 3 spoons, curd or yogurt, and mix everything together. The mixture should be salty so that the chicken absorbs the saltiness, tanginess, everything together. So the mixture is ready. Rub it over the chicken thighs and marinate it for about 2 to 3 hours, or overnight would be good. And even you can freeze this chicken thigh. So I'm going to cook 2 chicken thigh on an aluminum foil and 2 over iron tawa. So I've taken a tray and wrapped foil. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Cook one side of the chicken for 20 minutes. I haven't added any oil, and turn it and cook for another 20 minutes on another side. And it's ready. I haven't even added a spoon of oil, and look at that, it has cooked in its own fat. Delicious mint chicken is ready. Now I'm going to show you how to cook on iron tawa. So I haven't added any oil on this tawa. I've placed the chicken thigh, cook for 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius on one side and for 20 minutes on the other side. Turn it and cook for 5 minutes for on the other side. So I turned it around 2 times to cook well, and look at that, how delicious it is. It has cooked in its own fat. It has released the fat. It's a healthy cooking. The outer layer is so crispy and inside it is juicy and tender. So that's how the chicken is cooked. Serve it with some mayo or mint chutney, or have it with dal and rice. It's so delicious and yummy. Try it for yourself and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. So always make sure that the mixture is salty so that it gets absorbed by the chicken, and adjust the spice level according to your taste. And thank you so much.